Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to clear cache on Instagram. So, to do this process, first is of course you could just simply and go ahead and go through the settings into your device. Now, once you are here on your device settings, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down until you see over here apps. So go ahead and tap on apps, and from here, you should be able to see all of the list of application into your device. Now, the goal here is to find Instagram application in order for you to clear the cache on it and tap on Instagram. Now, here on the Instagram app, go for the storage and tap on storage. And as you can see, currently I have a 1.26 gigabyte of data into my application. So to clear the cache, you can just simply tap on clear cache at the bottom of the screen. And after that, it will automatically be deleted. And as you can see, the total now will be 878 MB. And of course, if you want to delete the data of the Instagram, you can just simply also delete clear data down below. You can just simply tap on it. And from here, you can just simply tap on OK in order for you to proceed with this process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.